Deputy, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Judge.
All right. If we can get Mr. Scaggs next, I'd appreciate that and get him out of here. We'll proceed with Mr. Kronk right now. I don't know if he's ready to go or not, but I just figured I'd ask, okay?
That's fine, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. All right. This is docket number D2503257FY. This is People of the State of Michigan versus Frank Kronk. Defendant appears via Zoom from the Kent County Correctional Facility. We have Mr. Hillary here on his behalf today for an arraignment proceeding. Mr. Kronk, I show here an information which states and alleges on or about the date of November 2nd, 2025, at or near the location of 68th Street Southwest and Clay Avenue Southwest in Byron Township, Kent County, Michigan, that you did allegedly commit the following acts. In count 1, it alleges the crime of possession of methamphetamine and ecstasy, which is a felony punishable by a maximum of up to 10 years and or a fine of up to $15,000. In count 2, it alleges the crime of operating without a license or multiple licenses. This is a misdemeanor punishable by a maximum of up to 10 years. All right, the next case is going to be the People of the State of Michigan versus Cody Scaggs. This is docket number D2503249FY. Good afternoon, sir. At the jail, looks like you got a blanket on. Can you hear me, sir? Are you Mr. Cody Scaggs? All right, good afternoon, Mr. Scaggs. For the record, Mr. Scaggs appears virtually from the Kent County Correctional Facility. We have Mr. Hillary here on his behalf today for an arraignment proceeding. Mr. Scaggs, I have before me a felony complaint which alleges the following. It alleges that on or about the date of October 30th, 2025, at or near the location of 5761 Jupiter Avenue Northeast in Plainfield Township, Kent County, Michigan, that you did allegedly commit the following acts. In count 1, it alleges the crime of home invasion first degree. This is a felony punishable by a maximum of up to 20 years and or a fine of up to $5,000. In count 2, it alleges the crime of breaking and entering a building with intent. This is a felony punishable by a maximum of up to 10 years. Count 3 alleges the crime of fleeing and eluding third degree. This is a felony punishable by a maximum of up to 5 years and or a fine of up to $5,000. In count 4, it alleges the crime of fleeing and eluding third degree. Again, a felony punishable by a maximum of up to 5 years and/or a fine of up to $5,000. In count 5, it alleges the crime of assault with a dangerous weapon. This is a felony punishable by a maximum of up to 4 years and/or a fine of up to $2,000. In count 6, it alleges the crime of fleeing and eluding a police officer in the 4th degree. This is a felony punishable by a maximum of up to 2 years and/or a fine of up to $500. And in count 7, it alleges the crime of assault, resist, or obstruct a police officer. This is a crime punishable by a maximum of up to 2 years and/or a fine of up to $2,000. Do you understand the charges alleged against you and the maximum possible penalties? Mr. Hillary, have you had the opportunity to go through your client's advice of rights and your advice of rights and limited scope representation with him?
I did. I spoke with Mr. Scaggs this morning and with his permission submitted both my limited representation and his felony advice of rights with his permission. He indicated he understood those rights and I forwarded those to the court.
Thank you very much, Mr. Hillary. Based on the information that the court has, the court is going to enter not guilty pleas on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Scaggs, I will let you know that we are going to set these matters for their first court appearances. Your probable cause conference is going to be on November 14th, and your preliminary exam date is going to be on November 21st. I'll also inform you that I'm going to sign an order requesting the appointing authority appoint you an attorney to represent you in these matters. So please be advised that somebody should be reaching out to you prior to those dates to discuss your case with them. With that, I'll turn to Mr. Hillary for statements regarding bond.
Although I did not get a court services report, I did talk to Mr. Scaggs, who indicated that he was on parole. I believe there's a hold on him, and I believe bond could be moved at this point.
All right, thank you, Mr. Hillary. The court did get a court services report, although it doesn't appear to have the correct alleged charge information on it. The court did also have information that the defendant may have a parole hold. Also had the opportunity to review the probable cause affidavit here. The probable cause affidavit describes allegations that trouble the court in accordance with Michigan Constitution Article 1, Section 15. The court is going to make findings that the defendant is currently on parole, and these allegations amount to what the court would categorize as a violent felony. These allegations involve that of home invasion first degree, allegedly using a knife, R&O on a police officer, felonious assault, once again, allegedly using a knife, and in accordance with Article 1, Section 15 of the Michigan Constitution, the court is going to deny pretrial release to the defendant at this point in time. Thank you and good luck, Mr. Scaggs.